Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and I'm here to do the drawing for the Singing in the Rain card kit from Heartfelt Creations. And thank you very much to everybody that joined in. The comments were all about where people were from and what the weather was like, and boy, there's some really interesting things on there. I actually learned a lot about you by finding out where you lived and what's been going on with your weather. And yeah, it has been some unbelievable weather all over the world and in the United States, so you should check out some of those comments. I just put this here so you'd have something pretty to look at. I finished a card from the carnations, the camellia carnations. I finally got to use that adorable window, and I just threw together a little birthday card because we always need some of those, and threw on one of the carnations I made with the new flower molds. And if you haven't seen that, I'll leave the link for that video below because you have to go check those out. I really am enjoying those. It's a lifesaver as far as the amount of work that you have to put into creating a flower. Okay, so I'm going to jump in here because I did random.org and show you the drawing. Thank you very much for being a subscriber and for taking the time to leave a comment. Alright, so number 56 is Mary Robertson. Congratulations, Mary Robertson. You've won the card kit. If you could please email me at HuckleberryHerbsandArt7, the number 7, at gmail.com. I will get your address, or if you want to message me, you can try. It's just a little bit safer going through the email. So, Mary Robertson, email me at HuckleberryHerbsandArt7 at gmail.com, and I can get your address and send off your card kit. I'll be back. I have some Singing in the Rain cards that I've completed in a little process video. I'm working on some Valentine's boxes with one of the dies from Heartfelt with that. I've got a watercolor thing started with my new Daniel Smiths. In the meantime, I hope all of you are staying warm and having a lovely week. Till the next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.